My name is Wana from Time to Say. We're going to start with our loop today and we're making another variation of our daisy chain. Now we are going to start making backward forward knots, and we're going to make as many backward forward knots until when we reach the desired length we need for our loop. A tip: make sure you make it wide enough for your tie to be able to pass through. Not too wide, but your tie should be able to pass through. I've taped down my string. Now I'm going to take the two white strings in the middle and make a forward knot. Now I'll take the next string on the right and make a backward knot over my white string. Now I'll take my left peach color string and I'm going to make two forward knots over one over our white string and one over the other peach color string from the right. Now taking the brown string from the left, you're going to make two backward knots, one over the white and one over our peach string. Now that our brown string is in the middle, we'll take the white string and make a backward forward knot over our peach string. So it means it moves and goes right back to the original position, which is still on the left. We'll take our brown string from the left and make 5 forward knots. So our brown string goes from being on the left to being on the edge of the right. And let's get started now. Going back to our left side, we'll take our white string and make a forward backward knot over our peach string. Then the brown string next to the peach, which is in the middle, we're going to make two backward knots. So this is going to end up at the edge of the left side. Taking the two middle strings, which are peach color, now we are going to make two forward knots, one over the peach, one over the white. And with our peach string on the left, we're going to make one backward knot over the white string. We've done that with 2 white strings in the middle. Make a forward knot, just 1 forward knot. Now we're going to use our right side. Taking our brown string, we're going to make 1 backward knot over our peach colored string, just 1 backward knot first. Now we're going to make another knot. This would be a backward. Now we're going to make a backward forward knot. We're going to make 4 backward forward knots. Sorry, I meant 3 backward forward knots and 1 backward knot. We're ending with a backward knot. So our left side, we're going to do the same thing. So now we're going to take our peach string and make a forward knot. Then we'll take our white string and make another forward knot. And then when we're done with that, we're going to make forward backward knots. So we're going to make 4 forward backward knots. I made I made 2 extra knots on each side because I realized my string wasn't exactly even. So I've gotten to the part where the pattern starts repeating from. I'll leave this timestamp on this screen and then you guys can continue it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you have a good time making this bracelet. Advice for you is to please let your brown strings end on the edges. Bye!